Hello, Form 5 Chapter 7, Video number 7, page number 5. Okay, plastic. So now, when we talk about plastic, we're having two groups of plastic or two types of plastics, thermoplastic and thermoset plastic. So what are the differences or in the structure between the thermoplastic and thermoset plastics? 它们的差别在哪里？ So page number 5 第5面 the thermoplastic, thermoset and thermoplastics. Okay, what is the difference? 它们的差别在哪里？ Okay, let's say I start from the thermoset. Still remember what's mean by thermoset? The plastic that can withstand the high temperature. Okay, 能耐高温的 plastic, the strong plastics. So I go to thermoset first. 我先看 thermoset. So for thermoplastic, thermoset plastics, their molecule actually having something very special. 它的分子啊，大型分子，一条一条的分子。They have the cross linkage between their polymer. Okay, they have their cross linkage between the polymer. Or what's mean by cross linkage? You draw on your notes, page number 5, 画在你的 notes 的第5面。Okay, so this is a long chain plastic polymer. This is a long chain plastic polymer. But between the polymer, they're having the cross linkage. 它们有交叉点。They cross together, they link together. 它们交叉在一起，连接在一起。So thermoset molecule, they having the cross linkage between their polymer. And this cross linkage, what is the function of this cross linkage? This cross linkage prevents the molecule from gliding one another. This cross linkage prevent the plastic molecule from gliding on one another, 防止它滑来滑去。So when the plastic polymer cannot glide over one another, they become harder 了，它就变成硬了。你烧它，它就不能滑来滑去，就变成硬气了。Okay, so this cross linkage prevent the polymer chains from gliding onto each other when heated. 防止它的 polymer 滑来滑去 when they are heated. Okay, so that's why thermoset having some special characteristics because the polymer cannot glide over one another. Okay, when you heat them, the polymer cannot move at all, 几乎不能动. So thermoset can be most only once, 它只可以 most 一次罢了. Or another meaning, when you heat them, they're not going to melt anymore. 你烧它呢，它不会溶解的，因为它有 cross linkage. 绑着，它不会突然间溶掉。So thermoset plastic can be most only once. 它只可以做第一次的 mold 罢了。So when you making the plastic, you cannot recycle it. 你不能再 recycle 它了的，它不会溶掉，太耐高温了的。Okay? Reheating the thermoset will not soften them again. 你再烧它，它不会溶掉，也不会变软的。So cannot be removed. 不能再 remove 了的。So a used thermoset products cannot be recycled. Thermoset plastic cannot be recycled. 它不能再循环了的。So that's why sometimes normally thermoset plastic, their price will be higher. 它的价钱会比较高 because they are non-recyclable. 它们不能 recycle 了，它们只能用一次。Okay, compared to another group that we call thermoplastics. So any special about thermoplastic? You draw the molecule first. 你先画它的 molecule. They are long chain linear polymers. 长长一条一条 linear 就是直直的 polymer. Without any cross linkage, 它们没有交叉在一起的，它们贴在一起长长罢了。Okay, so thermoplastic molecule do not have the cross linkage between their polymer. 它们之间没有交叉点的，没有绑在一起的。So when heated up, their polymer chains glide over one another. Their polymer chains glide over one another. 它们互相滑来滑去。So glide easily onto each other 了，它们互相的滑来滑去。So these properties make the thermoplastic a material that easily soften, melt, and can be removed. Okay, so that's why when you heat them, they will become soft immediately. 它马上变软 or they melt, 它马上溶掉 or they can be removed, or they can be recycled 啦，造成它可以 recycle. Okay, so therefore thermoplastic can be easily recycled to make the new things. So thermoplastic normally they will be cheaper, 它会比较便宜 because they are recyclable. 它们是可以再循环的，它的 material 可以再循环。Understand? So these are the differences between the thermoplastic and thermoset. One cannot withstand high temperature. Another one can withstand high temperature. And the difference just one only. 它们最大的差别就是 without cross linkage and with cross linkage. 没有 cross linkage, 另外一个有这样子罢了。Okay, 这个能 recycle, 这个不能 recycle. Set. See you in the next video. We compare in more detail. Our plastic actually is the most important part in this chapter 7. See you. Bye bye.